Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. Firstly, you need to update software version. To do this, open Xiaomi Earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds to the app, you will see this menu. Right here you need to scroll down, and here's update firmware. Firmware is the same as software, and you need to tap on it. But firstly, you need to sign in into your account, because without it you can check for updates or update software version. So when you sign in, you tap on it, and right here I have the information that I have the last software version. If you haven't, you can just enter inside and then update it. At this channel we have video how to update it, so if you can check if you want to. Now, if it didn't help you, I recommend it to place your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Then wait about 15 seconds and the battery level of your earbuds and the charging case will update. So after 15 seconds you open the charging case and check it. If it also didn't help you, the last one, what I can recommend it to you, is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put both of your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. At the bottom, near to USB-C port, we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button for at least 3 seconds, until the LED light on the front side flashing white 3 times. So press and hold. Firstly, it starts blinking white because we enter prank mode. Don't worry, just keep holding connectional button. 1, 2, and 3. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to remove these earbuds from your phone. So open settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, and then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return here. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you don't need to use connectional button. You just tap at your earbuds at the device list and we just reconnect them. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!